Hello everyone. In this class we will see the working procedure for the problems, means on the basis of Rodriguez formula and the results on Legendre's polynomial. We have some examples here. Let us see what will be the working procedure, how to solve the examples, okay, using those polynomials and also using Rodriguez formula. Here we are using Rodriguez formula indirectly, means what, on using Rodriguez formula we have derived, means we have obtained some Legendre's polynomials. Here we are using these Legendre's polynomials to solve the examples. Step 1, we write down from memory the expression for P0 of x, P1 of x, P2 of x, P3 of x and so on in correlation with the degree of a given polynomial. Means what, on the basis of given polynomial, given expression, we write this Legendre's polynomial. Okay, if the given expression or given polynomial having degree 3, we write up to the terms, we write up to the Legendre's polynomial for n is equal to 3, like that, and we express x square, x cube, x raised to 4 and so on in terms of Legendre's polynomial. Last one is we substitute these expressions in the given polynomial function f of x and simplify to obtain f of x in terms of a0 p0 of x plus a1 p1 of x plus a2 p2 of x plus a3 p3 of x plus and so on, where these a1 a0 a1 a2 a3 and so on are what, constants. Okay, first we use the Legendre's polynomials on the from the memory, means from our standard results which we memorized. We use these results and we express the x square, x cube, x raised to 4 and so on in terms of Legendre's polynomial. Then we substitute all these in the given expression and we get the expression f of x in terms of a0 p0 of x plus a1 p1 of x, a2 p2 of x plus and so on, where these a's are what, constant. Let us see the example. Express x cube plus 2x square minus 4x plus 5 in terms of Legendre's polynomials. We express these in terms of Legendre's polynomials. Solution. Let the function is given, that is polynomial f of x is equal to x cube plus 2x square minus 4x plus 5. Here we have the degree 3, therefore we have to write Legendre's polynomial up to p3 of x. We have p0 of x is equal to 1, p1 of x is equal to x, p2 of x is equal to 1 by 2 into 3x square minus 1 and p3 of x is equal to half into 5x cube minus 3x. First step is over. Here we are writing the Legendre's polynomial according to the given degree of the polynomial. Here we have the degree up to 3, so we will write the Legendre's polynomial up to p3 of x. Hence x square is equal to 1 by 3 into p0 of x plus 2 by 3 into p2 of x. These also we know in the last class. We have expressed x square, x cube, x raised to 4 and so on in terms of Legendre's polynomial. From those standard results I have written directly. If not, you go for this expression and write down the x square in terms of Legendre's polynomial and x cube. Here we have degree up to 3, so I need x square and x cube here in the expression we have x square and x cube, so that I want x square in terms of Legendre's polynomial and also x cube in terms of Legendre's polynomial. This is what 2 by 5 p3 of x plus 3 by 5 p1 of x. Substituting these in f of x along with x is what? p1 of x is equal to x and p0 of x is equal to 1, we have f of x is equal to x cube in terms of Legendre's polynomial is this one. In place of x cube, substitute this 2 by 5 p3 of x plus 3 by 5 p1 of x, then plus 2 into x square is this one, 1 by 3 into p0 of x plus 2 by 3 into p2 of x. The remaining terms I will write below, minus 4 into x is what? p1 of x plus 5 into, here nothing is there means here it is 5 into 1 and 1 is what? p0 of x. Thus f of x is equal to, here we have 2 by 3 p3 of x plus 5 by 3 p3 of x. After p3 of x we have p2 of x. Just rearrange the terms, 2 by 3 p2 of x, here 2 into 2 4, 4 by 3 p2 of x minus p1 of x is there, here also p1 of x is there, this is minus p1 of x into 3 by 5 p1 of x minus 4 by 4 into p1 of x. On simplification we get what? 17 divided by 5 p1 of x plus similarly 4 by 3 p0 of x plus 5 into p0 of x. Simplify that, we get 17 divided by 3 p0 of x, which is our required result. First we have to write the Legendre's polynomial, and if you don't know these expressions, that is x square x cube, let us go from these polynomials, otherwise directly write x square in terms of Legendre's polynomial, x cube in terms of Legendre's polynomial. Better you have to remember all these results, means p0 of x, p1 of x, p2 of x, p3 of x, p4 of x at least, and x square in terms of Legendre's polynomial, x cube in terms of Legendre's polynomial, and also x raised to 4 in terms of Legendre's polynomial. Okay, next example. Second example, if x cube plus 2x square minus x plus 1 is equal to a p0 of x plus b p1 of x plus c p2 of x plus d into p3 of x, find the values of a, b, c and d. Here also we go for the same procedure. First we have to express this given polynomial in terms of Legendre's polynomial, then we get this what? Constants. Okay, see, this is same as this working procedure step 3, right? These are the constants. Here we have to find the value of constant. We go for the working procedure. Okay, first step we have to write the polynomials. Here we have the degree 3, so that we have to write the Legendre's polynomial up to P3 of x. P naught of x is equal to, we know that P naught of x is equal to 1, P1 of x is equal to x, P2 of x is equal to 1 by 2 into 3x square minus 1, and P3 of x is equal to 1 by 2 into 5x cube minus 3x. 5x cube minus 3x. Next step is we have to write the x square and x cube in terms of Legendre polynomial. Next, second step is x square in terms of Legendre's polynomial is x square is equal to 1 by 3 into P1 of x plus 2 by 3 into P2 of x, and x cube is 2 by 5 into P3 of x plus 3 by 5 into P1 of x. Here we have the terms x cube and x3, so we have to write x square and x cube in terms of Legendre's polynomials. Next, substituting these in the given polynomial according to the step 3. Substituting these in f of x along with P1 of x is equal to x and P naught of x is equal to 1. We have f of x is equal to x cube is this one, 2 by 5 P3 of x plus 3 by 5 P1 of x plus 2 into x square is 1 by 3 into P1 of x, 1 by 3 into, this is P naught of x, not P1 of x, 1 by 3 into P naught of x plus 2 by 3 into P2 of x. The remaining I will write here. We know that x is what? P1 of x minus P1 of x plus 1 can be represented as a P naught of x. Next, simplify this one. Here we don't have any P3 of x other than this one. 2 by 5 P3 of x term as it is, and next is P2 of x plus 2 by 3. Here we have 2 2s of 4, 4 by 3 P2 of x. Then here we have P1 of x, here we have P1 of x. 3 by 5 P1 of x minus P1 of x, it will be what? 3 by 5 minus 1. This is in the form of 3 by 5 minus 1. 3 by 5 minus 1 means 3 minus 5 divided by 5 form. Therefore it is what? 3 by 3 minus 5 means minus 2, minus 2 by 5 P1 of x, and here we have P naught of x, 2 by 3 plus 1. 2 by 3 plus 1 means what? 2 plus 3 divided by 3. 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 5 by 3 P naught of x. Right? Hence, we know that f of x is equal to what? X cube plus 2x square minus x plus 1, and this is equal to this one. I will write that one. a into p naught of x plus b into p1 of x plus c into p2 of x plus d into p3 of x is equal to, I have to write the p naught of x term first, therefore it is 5 by 3 p naught of x, then p1 of x minus 2 by 5 p1 of x, next is c, p2 of x is 4 by 3 p2 of x plus 2 by 5 p3 of x. See here, a value is 5 by 3, b value is minus 2 by 5, c value is 4 by 3 and d value is what? 2 by 5. Thus, by comparing both the sides, we have a is equal to 5 by 3, b is equal to minus 2 by 5, c is equal to 4 by 3, d is equal to 2 divided by 5. Okay. See, these two examples are same, but they are asking question in the different form, that you have to understand. Next example, show that p2 of cos theta is equal to 1 by 4 into 1 plus 3 cos 2 theta. Here in place of x they are given cos theta, means this is of the form p2 of x. Solution, we have p2 of x is equal to 1 by 2 into 3x square minus 1. Now here x value is what? Cos theta. Therefore p2 of cos theta is equal to half into 3 cos square theta minus 1. On substituting x is equal to cos theta in p2 of x, we get this expression, but we have to prove that p2 of cos theta is equal to this. In LHS we don't have any cos square term, so first our work is we have to avoid this cos square theta, right? From the trigonometric results we know that cos square theta can be written as half into 1 plus cos 2 theta, right? Which implies, substitute cos square theta as this one, we get p2 of cos theta is equal to half into, here 3 as it is, right? 3 into 1 by 2 cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta minus 1, which is equal to, I will take this half here so that it will be 1 by 4 into 3 into 1 plus cos 2 theta. This I am taking half outside this bracket, means here I am taking LCM, that is the meaning, into minus 2, it will be minus 1 changes to 2 because I am taking 1 by 2 common from these two terms, which is equal to 1 by 4 into 3 plus 3 cos 2 theta minus 2, which is equal to 1 by 4 into 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 plus 3 cos 2 theta, which is our required result. See here, we have to prove that p2 of cos theta is equal to 1 by 4 into 1 plus cos 3 2 theta Therefore, it is 1 by 4 into 1 plus 3 cos 2 theta. Hence the proof. Show that means we have to prove that one. Hence the proof. In a similar way, we have one homework example. We will give you one homework example. Homework example. First one, show that P3 of cos theta is equal to 1 by 8 into 3 cos theta plus 5 cos 3 theta. Okay, see here also x value is cos theta. You have to use Legendre's polynomial P3 of x, and the trigonometric result which is helpful to solve this one is what is the how we have to rewrite the cos cube theta. That is cos cube theta is equal to 1 by 4 into cos 3 theta plus 3 cos theta. This is the trigonometric result which is helpful while solving this one. Okay, we know that. Use this result while solving this example. Next example, obtain P3 of x from Rodriguez formula and verify that the same satisfies the Legendre's equation in standard form. Means what? First we have to obtain the P3 of x expression from Rodriguez formula, right? I have already given the P3 of x expression from Rodriguez formula, and they are asked to verify the same satisfies the Legendre's equation or not. You know the Legendre's equation. We have to prove that this P3 of x expression satisfies the Legendre's equation. We have Rodriguez formula, that is Pn of x is equal to 1 divided by 2 raised to n factorial nth derivative of x minus x square minus 1 whole raised to n, right? As I already given the expression for P3 of x from Rodriguez formula, so that directly I will write what is the expression for P3 of x on using Rodriguez formula. Putting n is equal to 3, we have directly I will write the expression, but if the same question asked in the exam, you have to write complete calculation. After that you have to go for the verification. Okay, we have P3 of x is equal to half into 5x cube minus 3x. Then the next for also Legendre's equation is given by 1 minus x square into y double dash minus 2xy dash plus n into n plus 1 into y is equal to 0. This is the Legendre's equation. We have to prove that this P3 of x expression satisfies this Legendre's equation. For that, we have to verify that we have to verify that 1 minus x square p3 double dash of x minus 2x into p3 dash of x plus n value is 3 here, 3 into 3 plus 1 into P3 of x is equal to 0, since n is equal to 3 here. Okay, from the expression of P3 of x, we obtain P3 of x is what? Half into 5x cube minus 3x. Therefore, P3 dash of x is what? Just differentiate this once. We get half as it is. This is 5 3s are 15x square minus 3. Then P3 double dash of x is equal to, differentiate this, half as it is 15 to the 30 x, right? This will be what? P3 double dash of x is equal to 1s are 15s are, therefore it is 15x. We get P3 dash of x is this and P3 double dash of x is this. Now substitute P3 double dash of x, P double dash of x along with P3 of x in this expression and satisfy whether LHS is equal to RHS is or not. Consider consider 1 minus x square P3 double dash of x minus 2x into P3 dash of x plus 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 into 3 is 12, 12 P3 of x is equal to 0. We have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. Then 1 minus x square as it is, P3 dash of x is what? 15x minus 2x as it is, P3 dash of x is 1 by 2 into 15x square minus 3 plus 12 into P3 of x is half into 15x cube minus 3x is equal to 0. I am substituting P3 double dash of x, P dash of x and P3 of x in here. We get this one. Now simplify one by one. This 2 cancel with this 2 and this is 2 1s are 2 6s are. Then simplify one by one. What we will get? Simplify term by term. It will be 15x minus 15x cube minus, here 2 to get cancelled, 15x square into x is 15x cube minus into minus plus 3x plus here 2 1s are 2 6s are 16 into 6 into 15, 15 6s are, sorry this is not 15, this is 5 because P3 of x is 5x cube not 15x cube. Here we have 15, so that I have just mistaken here. 5x cube means 6 5s are 30x cube plus into minus, minus 6 3s are 18 x is equal to 0. See, we have x cube terms. First I will write first x cube terms. Minus 15 minus 15 minus 30x cube plus 30x cube, and 15 plus 3 is 18 plus 18x minus 18x is equal to 0. Means minus 30x cube plus 30x cube get cancelled, plus 18 minus 18 get cancelled. We have, which implies 0 is equal to 0. LHS is equal to RHS. We get LHS is equal to RHS. 0 is equal to 0. Means what? This P3 of X expression satisfies the Legender's equation. Why? Because here we get LHS is equal to RHS, means that P3 of X expression satisfies the Legender's equation. Conclusion. Thus we have verified that P3 of X satisfies the Legender's equation. Here I don't have specified sufficient place, so that I have write LE means Legender's equation. Thus we have verified that P3 of X satisfies the Legender's equation. You have one more homework example, that is, show that x raised to 4 minus 3x square plus x is equal to 8 divided by 35 into P4 of x minus 10 divided by 7 P2 of x plus P1 of x minus 4 by 5 P2 of x. Here you have the degree of 2 x raised to 4, so that write P4 of x, P3 of x, P2 of x, P1 of x and P0 of x. After that express x square and x raised to 4. Here x raised to 3 term is absent, so that express x square and x raised to 4 term in terms of Legender's polynomial, and after that substitute all those in this expression. You will get this Legender's polynomial function in terms of Legender's polynomial. Okay, these all examples required P0 of x, P1 of x, P2 of x, P3 of x and P4 of x results, and also the results expression on x square into x square, x cube, x raised to 4 in terms of Legender's polynomial. So that practice these 8 results, you can easily solve the examples. Okay, from this your fourth modulo infinite series is completed.